What's up, my beauties? If you're tired of harsh chemicals in your skincare products and you want to switch to a more natural alternative base of skincare products that actually works, then this video is going to be exactly for you. I'll break down how to identify toxic ingredients and replace them with natural, okay? A more effective option for you. So let's glow naturally from within. Why ditch toxic skincare? Toxic ingredients like parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances can cause your skin to be irritated. It can cause irritation and it can disrupt your hormones and accelerate the signs of aging. You want to be mindful of those ingredients when you're looking for skincare products for your skin. When you're thinking of natural products are more gentle, more eco-friendly, and it's just packed with nutrients that the skin really needs. Now I want to talk about the top toxic ingredients that you need to avoid by any means necessary. And I know it's hard sometimes because these ingredients are in a lot of skincare products, but try to avoid them the best way you know how. Because why? We're going to be using herbs. We're implementing herbs in our skincare, okay, all 2025 and beyond. So the first one coming in is parabens. These are preservatives that can mimic estrogen. Look for, and I'm probably going to say this wrong, but methylparaben and then propylparaben. I'll put it in a video here. The next toxic ingredient is going to be sulfates. So these are harsh cleansers that strip natural oils. Okay, so you want to look for SLS or SLES. The next toxic ingredient, which I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong, is phthalates. Okay, this is going to be hidden in your fragrances products, which is linked to hormone disruption. The next toxic ingredient is synthetic fragrances, which can trigger allergies or irritation to the skin. Okay, and then the last toxic ingredient, mineral oil, which is a byproduct of petroleum that clogs the pores. Be mindful of those toxic ingredients when looking for skincare products. So now I want to talk about some natural alternatives that will work for your skincare regimen. Let's get it. So for your cleanser, you can replace that with raw honey. This is a gentle antibacterial. Okay, it's going to help fight with acne breakouts. Or you can even use an oil cleanser like jojoba oil. It's not going to clog your pores. It's a lightweight oil and it'll cleanse naturally. So for your toner, you could swatch out harsh toners with witch hazel or rose water. And for your moisturizer, you can use aloe vera gel or shea butter. Now, if you're truly oily acne skin type, go for aloe vera, and then all the other skin types you can use either or. And for your exfoliant, you can go natural, okay? You can go for oatmeal or sugar. And for your serum, try Rosehip oil. This is really great to help brighten up the skin and help reduce its scars. And for your sunscreen, you can choose zinc oxide. So I'll be sharing some of the products that I use currently that's natural ingredients. I don't really have a specific brand as of yet of what I reach for all the time, just so you guys kind of know, like, they work. I just say look for the organic, look for the one ingredients, test them out, look for the reviews, make sure the product has good reviews, great reviews. A lot of my herbs I bought on Amazon, some of them I buy at my local nutrition store, but look for those type of products. I'll leave a list down below of the products that I currently use. I just want to get you guys started on this herbal skincare journey that you're looking forward and towards to. I also want you guys to know that switching to natural skincare does not have to be overwhelming. Just start off small, okay? Start with what you have and build your routine. Build your regimen, build your product base up. And because once you get those natural ingredient products, you guys, it's endless. I mean, you can mix up a whole bunch of things that's skin loving, that your skin really loves. Like I said, just replace one product at a time. You're going to use this cleanser up, and then your next cleanser is going to be the cleanser that you make. I'll have to share a cleanser with you guys. And if you have questions, please drop them comments down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you like content like such. And I also have some digital products and masterclasses for you as well that will be listed down below in the description. And until next time, I'll catch you guys back with another great video. Bye.